good morning to all with a great feeling of pride and patriotism. Today is 26th of January, our Republic Day. So, we all have gathered to celebrate it with great pride and enthusiasm. वतन हमारा ऐसा सबको अपने रंग में भर ले, रिश्ते हमारे ऐसे सबको आपस में बांध ले। दिल एक है, जान एक है हमारी, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, ये शान है हमारी। हम कैसे भी हो, कहीं भी रहे, चाहे ऑनलाइन मिले या ऑफलाइन, आखिर कहलाएंगे हमेशा से ही हिंदुस्तानी। I want all of you to cherish this day with pride and patriotism. First of all, I would like to welcome our respected principal, Mrs. Jayashree Joshi ma'am, to speak a few words to us.
Greetings to the teachers and students gathered through our virtual platform. India is one of the biggest and vibrant democracies in the world, and we celebrate our Republic Day on the 26th of January every year to mark the adoption of the Indian Constitution in 1950. Today, with a feeling of great pride and reverence in my heart for all the struggles India went through to achieve freedom and make its mark in the world, I salute the great visionaries who contributed in drafting the Constitution of India. I stand here as a true Sattvaite to share with you how the maxim of Sattva Vikas, which is so connected to the preamble of our Constitution. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, liberty of thought, equality, fraternity. We know the maxim of Sattva too is justice, freedom, sincerity, and courage. We are inspired by these virtues since the inception of our school. We got a preamble 7 decades ago. We need to ask ourselves as a Sattvaite, how do I practice justice, freedom, sincerity, and equality in my home, classroom, and society at large? My dear Sattvaites, do we connect, associate, and correlate justice, freedom, sincerity, and courage in our school curriculum in the classroom while we teach? And the answer is certainly yes. Completion of syllabus is so planned at Sattva that we are able to help our students discover the connection between curriculum and life and provide the attitude of lifelong learning with values. My loving children, education at Sattva endeavors to nurture you so that you have the strength to raise your voice against injustice, inequality, exploitation, dishonesty, violence against women, children, and nature. The wrong must disturb you. Only this uneasiness will motivate you to be convinced and do something concrete in life. Then you become persons who walk the talk. So can each of us strive to become another Gandhi, Patel, Azad, and be the voice for the voiceless? Yes, I can assure you we can do it. Gandhiji said, and I quote, "The highest form of freedom carries with it the greatest measure of discipline and humility." Freedom that comes from discipline and humility cannot be denied, that is freedom indeed. So I pray and wish that each of us enjoy the inner freedom gained by knowledge. May this day remind us of the struggle and sacrifices of the great freedom fighters, founders, and leaders who formulated the Indian Constitution. May we take the responsibility to treasure it and put them into practice, which will bring forth happiness, prosperity, and well-being for all. Let all the Satwaites take this pledge on our 72nd glorious Republic Day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Thank you so much, Jayashree ma'am. Republic Day is India's greatest national celebration, as it is on this day in 1950 our country became a sovereign democratic republic with a written constitution and elected parliament. Today, it's our 72nd Republic Day. It's a day of celebration and national glorification. So, let's have glimpses of India's first ever Republic Day. Let's have a look. Now, let's begin our today's program with a sweet patriotic song sung by our little Satwaites of grade 1.
आज मैं आप सभी के लिए गणतंत्र दिवस पर एक बहुत सुंदर सी कविता बोलने वाला हूँ। 26 जनवरी फिर है आई, मन में नई उमंग है लाई, झंडा तिरंगा फहराए आज, गणतंत्र दिवस मनाए आज। 26 जनवरी फिर है आई, मन में नई उमंग है लाई, झंडा तिरंगा फहराए आज, गणतंत्र दिवस मनाए आज।
की खातिर दी जान जिन्होंने वीर शहीदों की जयगाह पता कर लगे स्कूलों में गीत देशभक्ति के गा। देश की खातिर दी जान जिन्होंने वीर शहीदों की जयगाह आज, तोरण पताके लगे स्कूलों में गीत देशभक्ति के गाए आज। चलो फिर खुद को उठाते हैं, अनुशासन का डंडा घुमाते हैं, वो गरीबी लाचारी को इस धरती से मिटाएं आज।
अनुशासन का डंडा घुमाते हैं, भूख गरीबी लाचारी को इस धरती से मिटाए आज। भारत के भारतवासी को उनका अधिकार दिलाए आज, भारत के भारतवासियों को उनका अधिकार दिलाए आज। धन्यवाद।
Wow, such a heart-touching poem it was. Many people consider yoga to be a workout. Well, I would say that yoga is not a workout. In fact, it is a work-in. It is the point of spiritual practice to make us teachable, to open up our hearts and focus our awareness so that we can know what we already know and be who we already are. So, here we have Vihan from grade 6 with us to let us learn about yoga by his performance. National festivals should become festivals of development. May it be any national festival, it should not be only about unfurling the tricolor. We have to make them the opportunities to Lok Shikshan, that is mass education. Shagun from grade 10 has in fact forgotten about this big day of our country. But Khushi is there with her to remind her about our Republic Day. So let's watch them.
ओहो खुशी, क्या बात है? फुल ड्रेस अप एंड ट्रेडिशनल एंड ऑल. हाँ, कहाँ है पार्टी और मुझे क्यों नहीं बुलाया?
There is no party or anything, but today is a special occasion indeed. Wait a minute, don't you know what day it is today?
Tuesday, I think. What's so special about Tuesday?
This is the problem now. If you won't have been scrolling on various social media apps all day and would have paid attention on news channels, आज ये सवाल नहीं पूछना पड़ता. It isn't any ordinary Tuesday, Shagun.
खुशी यार, will you just say it? Why so much suspense?
अच्छा, okay, relax. Today is our country's 72nd Republic Day. Our country turns 72 today. That's why I am all dressed. But you do know na that why we celebrate this day, don't you?
आज स्कूल में हॉलीडे होता है ना. That's all I know. Can you just tell me the reason?
Oh my God, Shagun, are you kidding me?
खुशी, dude, relax. Just tell me the reason na.
That will be my utmost pleasure, buddy. Republic Day is celebrated every year on January 26 since 1950 to honor the date on which our Constitution of India came into effect. You do know na that British ruled us for almost 200 years.
Yes, I know that, but now I'm too curious to know the reason.
While India became independent on August 14, 1947, it still didn't have a permanent constitution and the Indian laws were based on a modified version.
Oh, so the people lived without laws and regulations. It would have been so difficult for them. Later what happened? Tell me.
However, 2 weeks later, on August 29, 1947, the drafting committee was appointed for drafting of the Indian Constitution with B.R. Ambedkar as the chairman. After a lot of hard work, finally the Constitution of India was drafted and 26 January was chosen as the Republic Sovereign of India.
Oh, indeed. This is very interesting. Acha, wait. I'll just go get changed and I'm very excited to celebrate this national holiday. So my dear viewers, we should never forget how many protests had to be taken to win our country back from the autocratic rulers who had disguised themselves as traders. Our freedom fighters and forefathers had given their lives for us to attain this freedom. More often that we complain, we don't have the latest gadgets and we cannot go on the international trips we could go to. Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Mataram.
Oh, how nice of you, Khushi. न पूछो जमाने को क्या हमारी कहानी है. हमारी पहचान तो सिर्फ ये है कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं. To instill that feeling of pride in all of us, we have with us our Satwaites from grade 2nd, 3rd and 5th to sing a patriotic song for us.
मेरा फरमा तू, मेरा धर्म तू, तेरा सब कुछ मैं, मेरा सब कुछ तू.
बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा अपने दिल में बसाए रखना. Our junior Satwites from grade 2 to 5 are here with us to share the significance of the Republic Day.
Hello Satwites, as we all know that today we are celebrating Republic Day. So my friends Aryan, Jashwini, Mishan, Chakshu, Meher, Aishi, Vishwa and I, Shlok, are going to say something about National Festival.
इस दिन के लिए वीरों ने अपना खून बहाया है. झूम उठो देशवासियों, गणतंत्र दिवस फिर आया है.
Republic Day is a national festival of India which is celebrated every year on 26th of January. On this day, Constitution of the India was introduced in the year 1915.
All governments and private offices of India are closed on this day. The tricolor is hosted at school, college, parliament buildings and the rest of the place, and the national anthem is sung.
On this day, India got the status of republic. The president addresses the whole nation from Red Fort.
Awards like Veer Chakra and Param Chakra are distributed. This festival gives us the message of being in unity and inspires us to keep the country proud.
This year, India celebrates its 72nd Republic Day. We should greet each other and pray for the development and prosperity for our country.
शान देश की हम संतान है. तीन रंग से रंगा तिरंगा अपनी ये पहचान है. Be proud of being Indian. Jai Hind.
That was really beautiful, children. Dear friends, the people who are known great even today, like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Lala Lajpat Rai, Indira Gandhi, and many more, they all imbibed great qualities in their childhood by understanding the importance of the historic day like Republic Day. So, let's welcome our junior Satwites from grade 3 to 5 to share with us the importance of today.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, देश के लिए प्यार हो तो जताया करो, किसी का इंतजार मत करो, गर्व से बोलो जय हिंद, अभिमान से कहो भारतीय है हम. We all are gathered here to celebrate Republic Day of India. But do you know what is the meaning of Republic? Republic is a form of government in which the people elect or choose their leaders. Republic Day is India's greatest national celebration, as on this day in 1950, the country became a sovereign democratic republic with a written constitution and an elected parliament. Now friends, we, the students of grade 3, 4 and 5 are going to bring alive some of the national leaders who have contributed in the formation of the Constitution of India.
Namaste friends, I am B.R. Ambedkar. My full name is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. I was born on 14th April 1891 to Ramji Maloji and Bhimabai in a small village in Madhya Pradesh. As a child, I took deep interest in studies. I was the first Law Minister of India after India became independent. I fought in backward class as I could not see the unjust to the untouchables. I wrote the Indian Constitution in our national language Hindi. Jai Hind.
Namaste friends, I am Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I was born on 3rd December 1884 in Ziredai village. I first started my career as a teacher, then became a famous lawyer. I was the first president of independent India
from 1950 to 1962. I was a freedom fighter, active social activist, and a lawyer. I had actively participated in Quick India and non-corporation movements. Jai Hind.
Namaste friends. I was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. I always wanted India to go on a forward direction despite its cultural and religious differences. I was a leader, writer, politician. I was the first Prime Minister of India. That I had love for India. That is why I joined the non-cooperation movement of Mahatma Gandhi. I am sure you would have guessed my name by now. Yes, I am your Chacha Jawaharlal Nehru. Jai Hind.
Namaskaram. Known as Iron Lady, R. Durgabai Deshmukh was a great freedom fighter, a dedicated social worker and a lawyer. I was born in Rajmundry on 15th July 1909. I have played a significant role in the India freedom movement. I also led the numerous Satyagraha movement and was a member of Constituent Assembly of India and the Planning of Commission of India. Vande Mataram.
Namaste. My name is Rajya Lakshmi Pandit. I was born in Allahabad on August 18, 1900 and was the sister of India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. Do you know that? I was the first Indian woman ever to become a cabinet minister. In 1953, I was appointed as the first woman and the first Asian to be elected President of United Nations of General Assembly. To me, India is a beauty or generosity of traditional hospitality and the acceptance of many cultures. Jai Hind!
Hello friends, I am Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. I was born on 11th November 1888 in Saudi Arabia. I was India's one of the first freedom fighter, a scholar as well as a poet. I worked for Hindu-Muslim unity. I actively participated in the civil disobedience movement and the Caliphate movement. Supporting non-violence with Gandhiji, I became the first education minister of independent India and took up the task of improving education system of the India. Jai Hind!
The hopes and aspirations of the people as well as the ideals before our nation are described in the preamble in clear words. So, let's hear a voice of our preamble to the Constitution of India by the Satwaites from grade 6 to 8.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Hit Patel and I am from grade 7. And today I am going to share something about the Republic Day, which comes on 26 January. The preamble to the Constitution of India is a brief introductory statement that sets out guidelines which guides the people of the nation, presents the principles of the Constitution and reflects the hopes and aspirations of the people. So hereby, we the Satwaites would share the preamble to the Constitution of India.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitution India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, which means a government by the people and for the people.
To secure to all citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, which means independent authority of the individual.
Equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation, which means a way of life which recognizes independence, fairness, and unity.
In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adapt, enact, and give to ourselves Constitution.
Our difficulty, as I said, is not about the ultimate future. Our difficulty is how to make the heterogeneous mess that we have today take a decision in common and march in a cooperative way on that road which is bound to lead us to unity.
Dear all, I, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the founder of the Indian Constitution, would like to share with you my basic idea behind the Constitution of India. राज्यों के अधिकार पर केंद्र हावी नहीं हो सकता, which means the central government should not dominate the authorities of the state. हमें सतर्क रहना होगा, which means we have to be alert. हमें अपनी आखिरी सांस तक आज़ादी की रक्षा करनी होगी, which means our freedom should be protected until the last breath. सामाजिक तंत्र बनाना होगा, which means social system will have to be made. अपनी जिम्मेदारी को समझना होगा, which means we have to understand our responsibility.
I must say, it's a privilege for us to hear the preamble. Thank you so much, children. भारतीय संविधान की एक महत्वपूर्ण विशेषता यह भी है कि इस संविधान को भारत की जनता ने बनाया है और इसमें अंतिम शक्ति जनता को ही प्रदान की गई है। और आज हमारे साथ है हमारे ही भारतीय संविधान। जी हाँ, our Indian Constitution is here with us and would like to say something to us. So let's hear it.
My country has me, and who is that me? I am the Constitution of India. You can also call it Bharatiya Samvidhan, powerfully known as the supreme law of the country. I was handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada in a flowing italic style with beautiful calligraphy. Now please don't confuse me with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar framed the Constitution. The Constitution was published in Dehradun and was photolithographed by the Survey of India. I talk about citizenship, fundamental laws, fundamental rights, directive principle of state policy, the union, the state, panchayats, emergency provisions, and many more. You might be thinking, I am so old, but despite me being so old, I am highly dynamic as I am amended by the special act of the Parliament as and when the need arises. So I also change with times. I also take a pride in being the longest written constitution of the world, and what that constitutes me is capable of constituting the best democracy in the world. Thank you.
मैं मुस्लिम हूँ, तू हिंदू है दोनों इंसान। ला मैं तेरी गीता पढ़ लूँ, तू पढ़ ले कुरान। हमारे तो दिल में दोस्त बस एक अरमान, एक थाली में खाना खाए सारा हिंदुस्तान। We may belong to any state, we may speak any language, we may follow any religion, but we all are connected as Indians. We are proud to be called as Indians. Yes, so here we have our tiny dots of Sattva to represent the true colors of India.
मुझो नाम ऐमान माँ दो ગુજરાત, હું છું પહલ. કેમ છો? મજામાં છો ને? ચાલો મારી સાથે ગુજરાતની સૈર કરવા. હાલો. Machuna Jia Bachus Rosa Kashmir. Namaskaram and te perunox nan kiratin ninan. माझं नाव परिती आहे. सगळ्यांना नमस्कार. मेरा नाम है हिमांश हैगा. मैं आया पंजाब की मिट्टी की खुशबू लेकर. बल्ले ओ बल्ले बल्ले. मारो नाम है. पधारो मारे देश, राजस्थान राजाओं का देश. नमस्कार, আমার নাম নিপিশা. আমি পশ্চিম বাংলা থেকে.
That was really adorable, isn't it? Our last performance for the day is the tabla performance by the students of grade 7. So let's tune ourselves with that beautiful beats of tabla.
My name is Tejan. I'm from grade 7. Today I'm going to play drum.
Hello everybody, my name is Shen Sangvi and today I am going to play tabla before you. I hope you like it. I hope you liked it.
Now I request all the students to stand up and sing the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष समागे गाई तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Our tribute to our country India and great leaders can never end. Let's honor our military, the men and women who serve, whose dedication to our country does not falter, halt or swerve. Let's respect them for their courage. They are ready to do what's right to keep India safe so we can sleep better at night. With this message in our heart, I would like to end our today's program of the day. Wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. Proud to be an Indian. Jai Bharat.